Hi guys, Ellie here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. Today we have a small little box which says enjoy the fun of cycling at night. So from that phrase, I think, and it also says cycling over here, lightweight, easy to use, smart circuit, fast charging, long lasting. So from these, I think so it's a light, maybe a bike light. So it's pretty small. Let's see. Let's open it up. So this is how it is. So it is a bike light. Let's take this out. Check it out. It's small. So this is the size of my hand, right there. And then this is how big the light is, like that. So these lights are pretty small, but they look very bright or like strong. So that's what's in there. This one pouch. And this one is the clips where you're gonna attach it. And here is the charger. It's a USB-C charger. That's impressive. It charges by USB-C. That's really impressive. So it's a USB to USB-C cable, which over here at the bottom you can see there's a charger. Plug it in. It's USB-C. So that's a really nice touch. So that's pretty good. Now we'll see how bright it is. It's probably charged. Over here, it's very small. That's the thing. So it says button A, which is this one, is for high, low beam. Low beam right here. So like this. And then this is for high beam. So whoa, that is super bright. There's 6 different modes. And then if you long press, that's off 1 and off 2. So that's that one. Now let's check the red light. So that's how it is. This is probably for like night riding. This is a bit brighter. This a bit. Okay, this one is for like braking and stuff while you're on the road. It's like a blinking outer ring. So this is the other mode, which is for like probably crossing the road. This is just a solid. And this is just like internet. This is a flashing. This is how fast they're flashing. And this is solid. So these are really good lights. So let's see how it is if you put them on. So let's see that. So you put them diagonally and then twist. Same thing with this one. You have to put it diagonally and then twist. No? So now we have these, and you put it at the front of your bike, loop it, and then just it's gonna be attached like this. Power on, power off, easy to use. So this is really good. So I highly recommend both of these. They are USB-C charging, easy, small, lightweight, great for your bike, good visibility at night. So thank you guys for watching our videos. Please like our video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon. Bye!